You're not lazy, you're not broken, but your brain is drowning, and you don't even know it. Every morning, millions of people wake up tired, not because they didn't sleep long enough, but because their mind never shut off. You went to bed, but your brain was still scrolling TikTok, still replaying awkward moments, still making to-do lists in the dark. You think sleep resets your mind, but it doesn't when your brain is still wired like a Las Vegas casino. Your brain wasn't built to handle 3,000 ads a day, 45 notifications, and 17 open tabs every single day. This constant input builds what scientists call cognitive residue, mental noise that clogs your thinking even when you sleep. It's like trying to rest in a room full of buzzing neon signs. So, even 8 hours of sleep feels like 4. Here's where most people go wrong. They try to sleep more or drink coffee. But the solution isn't what you add, it's what you remove. Because the truth is, your brain doesn't need more fuel, it needs a break. There's a 2-minute habit that's helped thousands escape this burnout loop. It's called a digital sunset. Just 30 minutes before bed, shut down all screens. No scrolling, no noise, nothing glowing. Instead, do something silent. A walk, a shower, a notebook, anything that lets your brain breathe. It's boring, which is exactly what your overloaded brain needs to finally shut off and reset. Here's the twist. After just 3 nights of this, people report deeper sleep, less anxiety, and clearer thinking in the morning. No expensive apps, no 5 a.m. hustle. Just one habit that gives your brain the silence it's been begging for. If your mind still feels noisy, even in silence, it's not your fault. But the next video will show you why it's happening and how to shut it off before it ruins your focus forever.